for you guys. I got 8 packages. I have the first package I couldn't wait. I wanted to open one. It's from Springfield, and it was actually these Mighty Morphin Power Rangers heads. It's just like for display. I think they're fucking awesome. I grew up watching Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, and I just wanted to start getting something of them. First thing I got. Okay, next picture we have right here is from Lee C. Look from KLN Hong Kong. Lee C. Look. Lee C. Look. It's pretty. Like, oh, what the hell? I don't remember ordering nothing this small. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. These are Dragon Ball Z earrings with the Dragon Balls. I think it's the 3-star Dragon Ball. Came to the package. I don't remember anything. It's the same. It's not the same. It's Pokemon, the Pokeball earrings. They're fucking cool. Yeah, I'm gonna rock these. Probably today or something. Hey, this is kind of light. Fucking damaged. Squished. Hopefully the figure box ain't damaged that much. From China, from Pig Ha Hair Shop. The 30th anniversary Goku. Thank you. Now there's also the one of Super Saiyan. I think I already ordered that. I think it's coming. I think it's on its way. Oh yeah, it's the 30th anniversary of Dragon Ball. It's be cool as like a collectible. I won't open this because it's like collectible. It's 30 years. Dragon Ball. The best series ever. This I'm leaving for last. I already know what that is. This is from North Dakota. It's not Dragon Ball Z related. It's just my gym backpack I bought. It's like an army gym backpack. I hold like my shoes, my shapes and everything, my gloves. Yeah. That's awesome. This is from Hong Kong, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Bangkok. This is the Master Star Piece. Let me get it out. Master Star Piece, the Vegeta. Super Saiyan Vegeta. Super Saiyan God. I'm gonna do a bigger review on this later. Nah, just do it right now. So here we have the Master Star Piece Super Saiyan God, the Vegeta. The Master Star Piece figures are just the only ones I'm trying to keep up with. As in like the whole complete set, I'm still behind like 4. This, I've been wanting this for a while. My girlfriend will get mad if she knows how much it cost me, but it doesn't matter because whatever makes me happy makes her happy. Same vice versa. Books. You already know. The Dragon Ball Kuritoria. Dragon Ball Z complete set. This is the complete set. Got these not fairly cheap because they're not cheap. But I got them for a good enough price where I finally said, you know what, I'm finally gonna buy them. And great. I'm not gonna go through all the like cover photos of like each book is gonna take a lot of time. 9 through 15 and 16 to 26. Yeah. I only read like 1 through 6, but I never really owned any of these. So definitely be reading these soon. Anyways, that's everything I have for today. Thank you for watching. Go like it on Facebook, GJC Official _. Obviously I'm on Facebook. My name is Marco Garcia. You know, I was posting on Dragon Ball Z pages. Like it's on Instagram, GJC _official. If you like the video, please subscribe and like, and just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.